Hello and welcome to GUI.Dog. Oh yes, this is a quick one. Yeah, VVV Venice Token for AI inference is popping right there. You can see it. That's beautiful. I've made videos about this. Check it out on my channel. Also, DM. Yes, DM is popping as well. That is the AI inference, $1 a day. If you have DM, then you have access to $1 a day, or you can just hold it as a asset. The reason I think this is happening is because Venice has started to burn. You're getting an allocation of the funds that they get, the profit, I guess, that they're getting from their customers, and then they're buying back the VVV and then burning it. So I think that's the reason why price is going up, but no one knows. This is not financial advice, for educational purposes only. If you like what you're hearing, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and goodbye.